Hey everyone, so today I'm so excited. I'm going to do a video and it is called I Tried Following Ashley Tisdale Slammin Salmon Recipe. And also I just been seeing these like videos go around like on YouTube, like I've tried following this makeup tutorial or this recipe, so I just want to do this video and just try it out and see how it goes. And also, when I seen Ashley Tisdale's Slammin Salmon recipe, it looks so good, so I was like, I just want to try and follow the recipe and see how it tastes and how it comes out. And I'm so excited to try this. And this tag Ashley Tisdale in this video and let her see it. That'd be awesome as well. And also, Ashley Tisdale's video will be linked in the description box, and you can check out her video. And yeah, it's an awesome video, so definitely go check it out. And let's get started with the video. Here are all the ingredients we're using. We're using salmon, asparagus, soy sauce, honey, Dijon mustard, olive oil, salt, pepper, light brown sugar. We're using a bowl and we're using a tablespoon measuring cup. Okay, so right now, start off, I'm going to put some salt. And next, I'm going to put some pepper. I set the salmon aside, pouring the olive oil all over the asparagus. And then I'm going to massage the olive oil all over the asparagus. We're about to make the sauce for the salmon, and we're going to take 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And here's the other. I'm about to add the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now I'm adding the 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next I am adding 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. I am adding the last ingredient into the sauce is the honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, so right now we're about to mix the sauce together, and in the video, Ashley, she used a fork, so I'm going to use a fork to mix up the sauce with. Ooh, that looks really good. Okay, so here is the sauce mixed together. Right now I'm taking the asparagus and I'm going to place it on the pan. And also in Ashley's video, she put cheese on her asparagus, but I don't eat cheese, so I'm not putting any cheese on mine. But if you want to, you can add cheese to your asparagus. Here is the asparagus laid out on the pan. Okay, so right now I'm using the indoor grill, and I am going to place the salmon skin side up. Right now the salmon is cooking on the grill, and I'm going to let it stay on the grill for 5 minutes so it can be nice and brown. Okay, so right now I'm going to flip over the salmon. Ooh, looks so good. Okay, so right now I'm going to put the sauce on right on top of it. Okay, I'm putting the sauce on right here. how it looks. And now I'm going to place it in the oven. Okay, now I'm placing the salmon and the asparagus in the oven. And also set your oven on 400 degrees. I have this salmon and asparagus in the oven, and we're going to close the oven. Okay, so we're going to leave this in the oven for 10 minutes and we'll be back to check on it. And this is what the salmon looks like after we're finished. It looks so good. Tastes so good. This juice is like my favorite juice. It's a Simply Peach, and if you all want to definitely try it, I definitely recommend it because it's like my favorite, and it just tastes so fresh, and you can just definitely taste the peaches. So definitely go try it out. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button. I definitely will appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video. Alright, bye.